Hey, more gang. Ignore my hair because I look a mess. But that's okay because I'm still cute. So, no, but I'm about to pull a prank on my son. I'm going to call it the car alarm prank, okay? I'm about to tell him to go to my car and get my phone because I accidentally left it. So, let's see his reaction. Guess what? He was mad, but I don't care. I'm up here crying, laughing. Like, why did he jump out of the car so quick? I'm so mad I could not get his face. But it's okay. When I get my camera, my video's gonna be on point, okay? I'm using my phone right now, but that's okay. So, Zay, tell the camera how you feel about getting pranked for the second time. And he swear up and down he gonna get me.
I really hate it.
Well, good night, more gang. Love you guys.
What? I want to prank her.